All right, outdoorsmen, today I'm excited. I got the Tidewe panel blind for waterfowl. I'm sporting my Tidewe boots. I really like them as well. So this is a cold opening. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into here. So let's see what we come up with. Always remember when you're cutting with a knife to cut away from yourself. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this out. Let's see what we got. Set the box aside here. It's a pretty handy little carrying case. Get it exposed and then turn it upside down, pull it out. Super handy carrying case there. It's bundled with a buckle tie down. Remember not to lose that while you're in the field. All right. Well, not exactly sure what I'm doing here, but we're going to start popping things into place. I'm already impressed that on the back side it has shell holders here and nice pockets. You could put a thermos, coffee cup, whatever. The dog doors here are a real nice touch. They slide up and down. We're going to go ahead and see what else we have here. There's part one. This is going to be one of the side panels. We'll just lay that down, push that into place. And then we'll get the other one going here. I'm not going to bore you with all the details of how to get it put together, but there are certainly stakes to stake it down here, as well as a very securely tied bag. Not sure what's going to be in here. Oh, I can tell exactly what it is. It's actually the stakes to prop the blind, but this will go on one side, this will go on the other. I'm going to go ahead and rotate the whole thing here. And if you're hunting by yourself, you can very efficiently turn it into a one-man blind, where you can bring these other two panels back, one on one side, one on the other, and you have yourself completely hidden at that point. But when it's open and you're hunting multiple people, you just take the stakes, you go ahead, and I will be using raffia panels to brush this in when we're out, to go ahead and get it hidden. I'm super excited to get it out. I am definitely trying it this weekend, going to Western Maryland, and really extreme Western Maryland, to give it a try. So I will be providing more feedback in that video, but here it would be, kind of set up without the panels. This side is set up to accommodate the zipper, and the other side would not. So, I mean, truly, I'm giving this a cold review, and I'm pretty impressed. Oh, you know what? Wait, there is the zipper on this one too. So, here it is, ready to go, and I am super impressed with what I have here. Very excited to get it out and give it a try on Saturday. So, hope you enjoyed my review. As always, if you like what I'm doing here, please feel free to like it, and if you want, subscribe. I'll be getting some other gear out here during the course of the fall into the winter, and until next time, get outdoors.